Congratulations on your new Concept One skin. This application video is applicable for the OnePlus devices listed here. Before you begin, you will need a hairdryer to apply your skin. So go and get one. Depending on your order, the elements of your Concept One skin should arrive like this. To complete the Concept One look, you will need to apply both the full back and flat back skins. The full back skin goes on first. To apply the full back skin, check the link given in the description below or click here to watch the full back application for your OnePlus device. Welcome back. Assuming you have finished applying your full back skin, let us continue. The flat back skin is made of 3 sections. The center will need to be applied first, and then removed at the end. Peel off the midsection of the skin and attach it to the 3M paper. Align the skin cutouts with the camera lens and flash. Firmly press the skin in place. And then remove the 3M paper. Now start applying the left section. Align the corners. There should be neither gaps nor overlap between the 2 skins. Press down on the edges of the skin. Make sure the edges match up, and then remove the 3M paper. Rub down the edges of your skin as shown. Repeat the process, and apply the right section of your flat back skin. We're almost done. Now peel off the center skin. Be careful with the logo on the full back skin while peeling off the middle section. Now apply the camera skin. Make sure to align all ports. Once you're sure, press down the skin. Use the hairdryer to soften the edges so they stick securely to the edges of your phone. Smooth down all the edges with the microfiber cloth for a perfectly smooth finish. Use your nail with the microfiber cloth to smooth down all the edges of the skin. This will also prevent the skin from peeling. Now apply the OnePlus logo skin. Align each section of the logo with their cutouts. And press the logo into place. Now repeat the process for the other parts of the logo. And we are finished. Enjoy your new OnePlus exclusive Concept One skin.